What up, what up, what up? It's your girl Rob Vibes here with the dancehall move of the week. Now I know you've definitely seen today's move before. It's called Cushy Wine by Barbie K. Dolly. Let's see it.
Imagine a cushy wine, yeah. Put your hand by your knee, them. See the cushy wine, yeah. A gyal a turn a breathe, them. See the cushy wine, yeah. Put your hand by your knee, them. See the cushy wine, yeah.
Alright, so the foundation of the Cushy Wine is the wine. Now, if you don't know how to wine, we'll have another series on that. But pretty much, you are moving your waist in a circular motion, okay? Whichever way doesn't really matter. I naturally wine counterclockwise. Whichever way you do is perfectly fine, okay? So you're just moving your waist, your hips in a circular motion, all right? Next thing you want to do is put your hands on your knees. Hands on your knees, hands on your knees, all right? And just keep winding, 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 winding. From the side, winding, 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 winding. All right? Now, all you have to do to make it a cushy wine is step out with your right, in with your right, out with your left, in with your left, then forward with your right, back with your right, forward with your left, and back with your left. All right? So let's try that all together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. I think you're ready to try out some music. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Put your hand by your knee, them. See the cushy wine, yeah. A gyal a turn a breathe, them. See the cushy wine, yeah. Put your hand by your knee, them. See the cushy wine, yeah. A gyal a turn a breathe, them. See the cushy wine, yeah. Big bumper, yeah.
And that was Cushy Wine by Barbie K. Dolly. Round of applause. Great job, y'all. And remember, practice makes progress. Once again, I'm Rob Vibes. Thanks for tuning in and make sure to subscribe, follow me on social media, and sign up for my newsletter at robvibes.com for more dance tutorials.